Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another crypto update. Okay, so here we are on Bankroll Network on the Credits tab. And I'm going to show you how to get essentially free TRX. So Credits like a savings account for your TRX tokens. You can put them in here and you get credits, and then you'll get dividends whenever someone plays any of these other games, or if they buy and sell their credits, you'll get dividends as well. So here's how to basically get free TRX playing credits. You can come to Luck, which is basically an alternate way to buy credits. When you roll on Luck, your roll is going to come down here into the rolls history. So let's say I was this person that rolled 10. Person that rolls behind me, I'm going to get 1% of their roll. So in this case, that would be about 1.7 TRX. So if we come back to credits, that 1.7 TRX would be a reward and it would automatically be in our dividends. So basically when you enter or exit credits, you lose 10%, and that's distributed to the other token holders. So if you buy in with 10 TRX, you're essentially losing 2 TRX going in and out. But if you buy in and you automatically get that 1.7 reward, then you're getting to the point where it's almost free. And once you have TRX in here, once you have more TRX in your bank, you're just gonna get more and more dividends. So I was doing this the other day, and here's sort of a strategy you can use. You can look and see when big people are rolling. Like this person's rolling 111 a bunch. So you could roll 10 TRX when you see this, and if they get behind you, you're automatically going to get 1.1 TRX. So that's basically a free buy-in. And with this one, if you rolled here and someone rolled 1K behind you, you automatically get 10 free TRX, so you basically double your money. But even these aren't bad. You're going to get 0.5 TRX. But I usually look if someone's rolling like big numbers, 500 or 1K. I've gotten in the middle of that, and then I'm getting their buddy system rewards, and it's basically just free buy-ins for credits. Here's an example of one I did the other day. I bought in with 10. Someone behind me bought in with 8K, and I got 80 free TRX. So that's how you can use credits to earn essentially free TRX. There is some luck and risk involved, but if you're looking to get into credits anyways, that's definitely the way to go. Let's go ahead and add in my credits here. So we got about 68. We'll withdraw this, click accept, close that, and then we're gonna go to luck, type in 68, we'll roll this, click accept. It's going to give us our bonus percentage here for banker. So we got 9 out of 25, it's all right. And I mined 0.165 banker. We can come down here and see my roll. So I just rolled 68. So look, here's someone rolling 770. So whoever this was got 7.7 free TRX. We'll see who rolls behind me. In the meantime, let's head over to banker. So banker's looking really good lately. Price keeps slowly climbing, it seems, and there's really positive news. It was listed on CoinMarketCap, and there's rumors that TRX dividends from all these other games are going to be flowing into the people that are freezing their banker. So now is a good time to stack up on your banker for sure. Go back to luck, see if anyone rolled behind us yet. Okay, so someone did roll behind us, only a 10 this time, but that's okay. I didn't expect much. Usually I'll just check this from time to time, and if someone is rolling big numbers, I'll start to roll in 10 TRX at a time to try and get their buddy system rewards. If we go back to credits, I'll see that I get about 0.1 TRX reward here. We already got some dividends coming through, so that's good. And we added that additional TRX to our credits balance. In other crypto news, Frags is about to reach the point where they have burned 1 million Frags. So this is a cryptocurrency that burns whenever it is exchanged, whenever it's transferred back and forth, bought or sold. It will burn a little bit. So it's reaching to the point where only like 90% of the supply is left. So it started at 10 million. Only about 90% is going to be left. That's absolutely insane. This is the first time anything like this ever happened. The most a cryptocurrency has ever burned, I'm pretty sure. So this is a dope project I'm in on. I'm mostly in Frag box and Frag power, and I posted videos a while back on how to get free frags, and I hope a lot of people ended up doing that, got their free like 600 frags or whatever it was. So yeah, frags is doing good. If you're not in on frags, you're missing out. If you're not in on dApps, you're missing out. We got Frag FOMO launching soon, and when this hits 9 million, they're going to announce the 10th dApp. which will be right here, I think. Nextly, we have Tron Dash. So I'll put the link for this down in the description, but basically if you own BTT, which is BitTorrent tokens, they now have a bank that works pretty much the same as credits. When you enter or exit, you lose 10%, but all of the people that are playing the game are getting dividends when other people enter or exit. So if your BTT is just sitting there, it's not doing anything, it's not making any gains, maybe think about putting it into BTT Bank, get some passive dividends on it. You know, I put mine in here and I'm getting tons of dividends, so definitely not a bad idea. It's still very early. There's only 1.5 million in here. People haven't even really found out about it, so definitely something to think about. So that's it for this one. Hope you guys found it helpful. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come and last. So go hard.